Do you ever look at a corner of your home and wish it felt a little more alive? Welcome to Urban Foliage. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a concept that changed my life: plant parenting. In the chaos of our Mumbai lifestyle, between the commutes, the deadlines, and the digital noise, plants aren't just decor. They're roommates that don't talk back, but have a lot to say about our well-being. Let's dive into how you can become a plant parent, even with the busiest schedule. Plant parenting isn't just about keeping something alive. It's a shift in mindset. It's moving from owning an object to caring for a living, breathing companion. When you become a plant parent, you start observing. You learn the language of your plant. The drooping leaf means, "I'm thirsty." The yellowing tip says, "I've had too much sun," or salt. And that new unfurling shoot? That's them telling you, "I'm happy where I am." It's a partnership. You provide the light, water, and nutrients. They provide cleaner air, better aesthetics, and a sense of grounding that no app can replicate. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have time. Trust me, neither do I. Between my work in IT and managing life in the city, my garden has to be low maintenance. Here is the secret to thriving plants in a busy life. First, start small. Don't start with a high-maintenance gardenia. Try a ZZ plant or a snake plant, the indestructibles of the plant world. Second, have a Sunday session. Dedicate 20 minutes on Sunday morning for your deep care tasks. It's a ritual, not a chore. Third, automate when you can. And finally, use what you have. Kitchen scraps, like banana peels or a bit of neem oil, go a long way. It's cheaper and healthier for the plant. Finally, why bother? Research shows that interacting with indoor plants lowers cortisol levels. That's your stress hormone. For the mind, it's the zen factor. When I'm pruning my adenium, the world outside simply disappears. For the body, they act as natural air filters. Plus, the movement involved is just good for you. You don't need a massive backyard to be a gardener. You just need a little space and a little curiosity. If you're ready to start your journey, let me know in the comments. What's the one plant you're currently struggling with or want to bring home? I'm your host, this is Urban Foliage, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy growing. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos on the plant parenting tips.